Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with at another interesting investment opportunity, and it is none other than Nambiar District 25, which is a very stunning 100-acre township property that is being launched today in Sarjapura area, Bangalore. With its modern design, luxury amenities, and tons of open space, the project is definitely worth checking out. So let's quickly get into the video and discuss more about this project in detail.
Coming to the main USPs of this project, the project is having around 3,800 units in total, having variants from 2 BHK, 3, 3.5, and 4 BHKs. And each tower would be having 33 floors with the 3 basements for car parking. And each of these floors will be having only 4 units, and these would be either east facing or west facing units, and there would be 4 lifts in each of these towers, which would be convenient for the owners or the end users. And this project offers 35 acres of pristine green landscapes, and also 75% of the area is open space. And it offers a 7.5 acre of luxurious clubhouse with 2.5 lakhs square feet of world class amenities. So if you are planning to invest anywhere in the Sarjapur area, I believe this would be one of the best investment opportunities that you can look out for. If you see on the screen right now, there are a lot of people who have turned up on the launch day today. So as per the information I got from the sales team, phase 2, which has been launched today, has already been sold out because the EOI has started for this phase 1 about couple of months ago, and they are now collecting EOS for phase 2. Right now, if you're on the screen, they have handed over some goodies for the people who got the units allotted as a part of phase 1, and you can see their happy faces since they have been able to book their apartment here. And I'll be showing you the model flats they have set up for 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs today. Since there was a lot of crowd, I haven't been able to really shoot good video, but try to adjust with this for now. I will try to cover much decent videos of these model flats in days to come. The price range for the flats is ranging from 1.4 CR to 3.35 CR. So that is the price of all the variants available across this project. And if you see, this is one of the best projects that has come up in Sarjapura area today. And if you are really willing to invest or planning to have for your end use, I believe this would be worth considering. Share it with your friends and family members who are looking for investment opportunities in and around Bangalore. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe to IRS Originals for more such interesting updates.